Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do raycasting with ThreeJS. So here you can see so I have few mesh, and once they pass through the center, at the center I am passing a raycast. So whenever the sphere hits a raycast, the color of the sphere changes. So that's what this output is all about. Let's see how to do this in ThreeJS. So I have created a simple application using Vite, but you can use whatever framework you want, and I'm using TypeScript like HTML, CSS and TypeScript. No framework as such, only Vite for web bundling. And here inside dependency I have included ThreeJS, so 3, and inside dev dependency I have included @type/3. Next, inside index.html I have just taken one canvas of id canvas, style position fixed, top left 0 and outline is none. And here I have created, so I'll just close this. Here as you can see, inside src I have created this main.ts file. That's what I am referencing over here inside our HTML. Now if you go to main.ts, so these are all the imports. In case if you want, you can just copy paste all the imports which I have from 3. And here we are just getting hold of our canvas, then creating one scene out of it. Then here I have created few mesh of sphere geometry, so object 1, object 2 and object 3, and I have added them to the scene. Then I have created one raycaster. So this is the origin of our raycaster and this is the direction, and we are normalizing it, so this is important. And then we just do raycaster.set, pass your ray origin as well as ray direction. And here I have just added some lights to our scene, and here is our camera. Here I have created some orbit controls, and here is our renderer. This is in case the window resizes, we want to update our camera as well as our renderer. And on double click we can just enter or exit full screen mode. Here I have created our clock, and these are the object to test. So once the tick function is called, so it is called on every frame. I'm just so this is what I'm moving the objects, like the animation which you see up and down of moving the objects. This is what it does. And here we are just creating an intersect, and here we are checking if there are any intersects. So we are passing all the 3 objects which we have inside our intersects objects method. There is an intersect object method as well, in case if you just want to check one. Yeah, and once if it is intersect, we are just changing the color of the sphere. Now I don't know why TypeScript is not playing nicely with this, so in case if you know, do let me know in the comments. But here again I am looping it, and I am checking if any of this object is not intersecting, then set it to this color. Okay, and here we just do controls.update, render our screen again, and here we just call window.request animation frame, pass our tick function. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.